I just got my new box from Ali Edwards, or subscription package, and this belongs to July, and a lot of times this means that it's also with a little of usually it comes with everything like for August. So let's see what we got here. Okay, let's open this. Oh, the light is really bad right now, but I didn't want to wait until tomorrow. You know, when you wait for this and then you're like, as soon as arrive, you want to see everything. Okay, this is the Ali Edwards July monthly kit. That's the way to say it. Okay, anyway, so it comes in a little pouch like it comes the previous one. I really love to have these and help me to organize my projects. And the first thing that I get here is stamps, and it's a August outdoor adventure, a little tag. August is the stories of right now, today's story, and making me happy. Next, what do we have in this little bag? Let's see. This little bag has, ooh, look at these, so cute. Summer loving. Let's go closer for this. Okay, summer loving, warm days. This August story is so cute. Love this. And discover summer. Very, very cute. I really love this. Chipboard, no, it's wood veneers, that is. I love when it's words. It kind of makes more rich the design, right? Okay, let's see what else we have here. It's pretty. Oh, this comes there. Oh, the board. Let me go back. There we go. The stickers, the names, they come in gray and white. I like that now I have three different colors, and it's like picnic, sand, love these, summer nights, me, bike rides, good vibes, everything related to summer. And also it has the numbers here, PM, yes, no, summer memories. This is really good. I don't use a typewriter, I don't have one, so this helps a lot. Now, oh, this is the card that came. In the end, we will all become stories. Margaret Atwood. I think Atwood. I'm always butchering names, sorry. Chipboards. These ones are these, yes. NGA. Well, ugh. E is like UGH. Love these August stories. I'm so tired. Adore this story. Finding our way one day at a time. Here and now. Loving these moments. This year is going so fast, and it's true. Life goes on. Open hearts. Lazy days. What did it say here? My story matters. Sorry, I was having a hard time to read. A little story about today. Pretty chipboards, and I love that it has so many different colors. It can be perfect for whatever project that you are working. Let's see the cards. Cards. The cards for this month are, oh, how I love this time of the year. Very pretty. You can write there, or you can have like two little pictures. Outdoor adventures. Here is the story. This can be also the same. You can have a picture of some kind of exterior action or something that is happening, or you can just cut that and use it something different. August moments, this is perfect for writing what is happening in some of the cards. I love to use this kind too. This is a little different with neon colors. We all have a story to tell. I like that it put a little of different colors on the cards. Let's go a little farther here. There. The next one is like little tags that we can also cut and put the stuff. It say making me happy, making me happy, making me happy in different kind of cards. It can be easy to cut that and put just like that. August is, and this is like different kind of things that you can say about August. And the last one, the last two is totally great, very bright, beautiful color. And August details loving, watching, listening, eating, drinking, and going. I don't use too much this one, but it can work very good in your happy planner for the first page or the last page of your planner. Let's see now the big ones. This one, following the bright colors, it say this, remember this, remember this. Next one, the stories of right now, and it has story 1, story 2, story 3. This can be just also only that part and have your picture there. August, perfect for the first one on the page. And this is so cute. It's like somebody was playing with the finger and putting some color there. I think the cards are perfect. They have some kind of coordination between them. If you see here, like kind of play a little with the colors. This can go between those, and this also goes like that. It's really perfect. I love the colors. I will say that I love the colors more than the previous month. I think it's really, really cute. And I will be creating things for this month with these cards, not only for August, because it always comes like a little early. So you can begin to put some of the stuff that you have already, or just wait for the pictures of August. I don't know. I like to use what I have, so why not, right? So beautiful cards. Very, very versatile. You can do a lot of things with this on your happy planner or in your project life. Very nice clipboard. I love to have always an extra words there. These stamps are really cute, and my favorite item were the wood veneer. Those are adorable, and I think this was a really good month. I enjoyed, I love what I got, and I am ready to create things. I will save the ones that I want for August, like the August one, but I'm sure that I will be using this right now. I have pictures that will match perfect with this. Okay, I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video, and have a happy weekend. Bye bye.